What's up, guys? MotoMeat here. Used to be known as Dirty Diesel. I got a couple other channels like my motorcycle channel and my audio channel. I'm kind of going to dump the audio channel, so I'm just going with all motors. Just going to showcase like what I do with motors. I'm not super motor guy, but you know, when I work on an engine, I'm going to put it on this channel. It's not all going to be the 7.3 diesel now. So that just explains what I'm going to be doing now, guys. And so I hope you enjoy the new content. It's just going to be a little bit more content because I've been working on ATVs and stuff and motorcycles. I just don't need to work on my truck very much. So I don't prefer to lead you guys on bullcrap videos that I don't really need to make just to have content. So enjoy, guys. MotoMeat. That's my new name. That's my new game. Thank you for subscribing. Like the video. You guys are cool, man. I appreciate all you guys. Take care.
Have you been naughty or nice?